Finish up uyazi khambani like away.
Sizakithi.
Number 1.
Go boys.
Number 1. Sinomgilani. Nami ngisha igqom.
Hamba kahle mfethu.
Sisikrema.
Yo mfethu.
Nami ngelinye lamathiwa sakamgcila awamgilani.
Uyaphuthula nawe ifasha. Mfethu khamba kahle kodwa mfethu.
Singabe ngiqamba manga ngihlamba khona inkinga ekhona. Nase intweni zonke nje zempilo first if ukhona mhlawumbe umuntu angakubonanga kahle konke sikubeka kumdali ngoba kukhona ukuthi
Wait. But one thing I always admire about our sessions and uma ufikile nje mola eThekwini maye ngathola ifoni call yakho kuma yonke into mfethu mfethu ngithi awuthi ngiyophila mfethu
uyabo
awuthi ngiyophila to just get up into wisdom mfethu from ibrazo engiyiphilela kakhulu mfethu engiphilelayo nayo as well yazi mfethu it's so amazing and impilo ngendlela esibusiso ngayo to just imagine ukuthi I'd be in a position to just be respected by you bafo Sanele Mgobhozi abanye mhlawumbe they always see director of photography Sanele senza Captain Mgobhozi on TV and they don't actually know the amazing person that you are for it siyakubonga lokho mfethu ukuthi you also extend that to us la islaqa not only la islaqa to intwana yakho ndumisa mfethu umbone ekhula phambi kwakho
umuntu okhulela kumina no bese uyazini ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ngithi one of the best things that I've seen empilweni is sonke fethu sikhuliswe umphakathi amukho umuntu fethu okhuliswe kubo because gini guideline gini I would say we introduction to life.
Sure.
Then the community takes a full part on how to raise a child. They are also part and parcel of it and ekhathini eningi uyazi umhlangano umuntu omdala kumele ubingelele into etshenwe kini introduction siyabingelelwa wenzani so ngiye ngithi nami angiyiboni first usengihamba ngiyodla nabantu basemhlanga enginakho ngingadlanga nabantu basekhaya ngikhule nabe uThalu
most definitely
so kubalekile ukuthi ke noma ngabe kusiwa kusambela kude kanjani kodwa masikhona eSekwini kubalekile ukuthi uphinde ubuye uze silaqa ngoba lento uyiqale phambi kwethu futhi wayiqala njengama drawings yabo then we implement kundabantu bese kuvranda egcekeni and then bese lokhu ya hype indaba so hayi boy undu ubhunu futhi sina sazi ubhunu ubhunu uyalishaya ikhanda usayibo uyalishaya bethe uthi hayi okay awusingizami bafethu ukuthi nami ngingene ngihlanganisa into yami ngiyombona ngoba we've been supporting amanye ama business ngaphandle so what's wrong ukusupportela segcekeni yabo so lento ngiyakuyona ukuthi wonke umuntu ukhuliswe umphakathi so izandla ziyagezana kubalekile ukubuyela la ukhulele khona nawe ufika ukuthi hayi bafethu nami ngoba ngiye kwenye ibhaba eshaya same amount okanye futhi ngaphezulu uyala ekhaya awuthi nami ngifike nami ngizophosa sivivaneni uphinde futhi kube nalomoya omnandi ukuthi uhlezi nabantu okhule nabo sinokukhuluma ngezinto zethu zokukhula sabafana siphinde siadvisane nangempilo ngoba into ebalekile ukuthi kube khona ukudla kwempilo okushiyekayo kumuntu ngosuku nosuku manihlangana yabo kungabe ukuthi sithola sesikhuluma ngezinto engakho beneficiary akuna information that's being shared on ukuthi hayibo first kuyaqashwa emhlanga kuphi ayibo ngibone eminye imishini online ngiboneni first uyini lempahla le bafutha ngayo ikhanda ukuthi libe mnyama angithi yonke le information sonke sigather differently but mase siyishare sesindawonye so I think in most cases uma ula esilaqa one of the things you'll always go home with is the friendship all over bonke bethu baseWaterloo baseVerlem basendwedwe bakaMashu basenanda ithe kulonke namapheselo niyazana namajita isupport nokuba lula nje futhi ukuthi kwibhaba kungabe ngazi ukuthi hey Fesu, I'm just here to cut and leave, but
Sure.
kube an experience bese kube ne live conversation experience while you are getting your hair cut nicely.
And for Sintemnandi today, we're not only gonna just seal that in these container walls, we're gonna take it to the people in Facebook. I've always wanted Facebook. If you were gonna check, unfortunately, I don't have a personal account manager online, but if they could check, they could, like, I can retrieve one of the videos we did. It was a live video we did. It was exciting.
Yeah.
I was calling it the early bird, something like that. But we did a live and we posted. So with people can just listen and hear the stories that we share when you come here. Because and your level of energy izinto that you always open to young Mangalisa, Minage, myself. And I'm sure everyone is going to be enticed and excited about the conversation that we're about to break down. So send a caption too. I know when you started life, you never thought life would put you where you currently are. But I knew there's something that you did differently compared to the peers that you were growing around. But if you look back to the people your age, bakhona abantu okhule nabo then empilweni abahuzuke ngeindlela ezingafani, and also people who tried things that didn't work. But in fact, it's so beautiful to just see you penetrating the industry from the humble Makaya Asendwe to you being international Bafo. Take me through it, Mfethu. What are the don'ts? Because I know there's a lot that you did, but what is it that you didn't do that brought you closer to your dream?
You know, maybe firstly, let me do a small intro. Which I think we are. Igama usanele wakamkopozi Isibongo, well known as Sansa Capture in the film industry.
Most definitely.
I grew up Ndwedwe endaweni yaseNtaphuka. I went to Nompande Primary School, then I went to Elihlithemba, then I moved to Joburg to go study film and television at Wits. But what revived me to go and study film and television? Endwedwe kwashutha kwaKhalanyonini, and la kwakushuthelwa khona we are relatives nalawo bantu bakangwane. So suddenly I happened just to be the time they were filming. Ngangisayintwana encane, I enjoyed watching them working, and I kept on looking at the guy who was shooting, yabo. So lo mjito wayeshuta Fesu, I would say kwakuyingamla be communicate kamnandi no director, yabo, ubona ukuthi like kune combination. If it was football, I would have said ila machita lawa anso yempeswini.
Sure. Iniesta
Mushavi. Yes, I would have put it that way. So there was so much combination that was happening between the director and the director photographer, which I then fell in love with them, and I was like, you know what? I've always wanted to be a lawyer, Mina. So here goes the lawyer out of the window. I'm in love with film and television. So then I'm like, Yazin, I'd love to study this. And suddenly I get an opportunity to research, because there's nothing that beats research. I researched about film and television, and then I got taken a vet, ngafunda. Then I started training Ozola 7, Tech 5, SABC Sport. Then I started getting into the real world, which was dramas. At that time, because telenovelas are new in South Africa, they're not that old. I'm a long form. So my first gig was Soul City.
Yeah, Soul City. Sure.
So if then that's way back, that's way back.
Way back, yo.
And I was an assistant, and then I did Soul Buddies.
Right.
Also as an assistant.
Sure.
And then I started to grow along the rank. I was an assistant for like quite some time, maybe 5 years. Then I went to Focus Pulling as a junior I'm now going up the ranks.
Sure.
I'm going up the ranks up until get an opportunity to be a second cam operator. Kuma shows afana no Zabalaza, ama shows afana no Zola 7, ama shows afana no
not Zone 14.
Zone 14 I did.
Sure.
And then I get to also work on sport. Shooty baller for Super Sport and SABC and music videos. Then the career starts to look like something engathi iyahlangana. And mind you, I'm starting something new. Locally. When I say local, I mean ubani owenza lonto la Verlem, ubani owenza lonto wosalu, ubani owenza lonto endwedwe.
You didn't know anything close to that.
So I'm opening a book that has never been opened.
In front of
And I'm learning it as day by day, and I'm learning it in a very far place in Joburg. So I'm not in KZN at all. So there's a language barrier thing, which lucky me, I'm young and I love to play with language.
Sure.
I get to understand Sotho quickly,
Sure.
Tswana, Pedi, Venda, Kilobedu, a little bit of Afrikaans.
Sure.
So it helps me to maneuver around in Joburg,
Sure.
But mostly the language that's being spoken in Joburg is Zulu. It's dominant, so you get your ways around easily in terms of like transport, elokishini, yabo.
Yazi ukuthi vele.
Into eyenzakalayo.
Vele amaZulu ke kade agcwala.
Hayi, uZulu into engeke yaphela. Singabi tribal izimpa into engeke yaphela, yabo. So, yabo. So for me, that's how the career started and unfolded.
Sure, brother.
And then the do's and don'ts, bro. And we are on my conversation.
Sure.
Even now, I'm gonna make you a simple example. You said to me, "Usuyasuka kaMashu, uzodlula ePhagate, aslangane Waterloo." Guess what? I was here an hour early. Lonto yesikhathi mfethu ngayifunda kakhulu kuma Boy Scout, yabo?
Sure.
Because I'm a Boy Scout even now. I'd never walk away from it. So I'm a Boy Scout by nature and naturally. So I respect time and
Sure.
we are all
Thank you, brothers,
Sharp face.
Sure. See, lento siyona ngendaba yesikhathi, yabo. So esikhathini esiningi I'm very punctual with time, and I respect people that want to work with me because I can always be there on time. So the film industry has taught me to be as early as possible in terms of punctuality. Be prepared, which is a Boy Scout motto, so that you are prepared for every situation that may come your way,
Sure.
and have solutions, yabo.
Sure.
So I won myself a first battle to my don't do.
Sure.
Don't ever be late.
Sure, don't
Yabo?
ever be late.
Don't ever be late, especially to a place that you've chosen, that you love what you do, and you want to be one of the best.
One of the best. You want to be dominant
In your field, yabo, and be dominant. And keep time, man. You know, as much as even good coaches will tell you, this player is not disciplined. So I don't see myself working with this player, yabo, because of time.
Yes, I also grew up while I was still in high school during my grade 11, grade 12. My mindset changed, so I started listening to people. I would listen to Eric Thomas.
Yeah.
Speak on like that waking up at 3 a.m. And I adopted that, yes, and it helped me reach my educational goals. And I don't wanna lie. His motto was like, sleep is for those people who are broke.
Yeah,
that's what he used to say. So more it adds to the famous quote: "The early bird catches the worm." Yeah, but uber ahead, in fact.
Yes.
So it always comes as an advantage, in fact. So 100%. How do you commend that? As
True,
well?
yeah. So those were my first. Don't do this. And secondly, as umfana first, we all get into a stage where you want alcohol, you want all those stupid things, yabo, such as alcohol, ungabuye ekhaya ngesikhathi ube semgwaqeni amantombazane, yabo. So I decided ukuthi ayazini angisafuni ke manje bese ukuyihlanganisa nezinto ezongenza ngibe latest pani. I made a choice ngabuzama nami utshwala bangihlula fethu and I needed to find a reason.
Sure.
Why do I drink alcohol?
Sure.
Is it a celebration?
Sure,
No.
sure. No.
Is it part of my journey? No.
No.
So it's just something that the society is entertaining.
Sure.
And I'm not saying utshwala wrong.
Sure.
For me, I wanted to find reason why I want to
sure.
invest into alcohol, and I find myself with man, there's nothing for me here.
Sure.
Because also I was a soccer player, you know,
Yes,
and I went even close as professional, you know.
Yes. Going back to that.
You know, so when because of soccer, we've got camps, we're playing. I was in a league where there was Chiefs and Pirates and Swallows and Vets. So we get all those things are checked, and we are always in camp while I'm still studying, yabo. So then the attention is no longer even on the society. The attention is on the goal of me trying to become a professional soccer player.
Sure.
And also as umjita ogelezayo after disc kumele ngeencwadini zami.
Sure.
Bro, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi you calculate all those toll gates ku N3 awu5 if I'm not mistaken.
Sure.
Usuka eThekwini uzuyofika eGoli. You mawufike the Hook Plaza, you can even park on the side. Umthetho ukujumpa nje the Hook Plaza. Upaka bese uma kunento eyigquma lapho ubuke le ezantsi so ungasaboni lutho. You've actually crossed
so many
2 provinces, bruh.
Sure.
It's Free State and Joburg.
Sure.
And Mangala KZN, so 3 provinces because we are here now.
Sure.
So why do you want to fail so far?
Hey.
Why do you want to fail so far? And why did you even start, bruh? You know, so isn't there anything I had to question myself, yabo? And then I found the purpose. First, here's a moment where I'm really gonna be doing great in my career, and I don't wanna get myself involved in a lot of unhealthy things that are not going to help me be a better person. So I started just concentrating on the goal, and also the parents were not happy. We have to mention that, yabo. Sikhuliswa ama-cleaner fethu, abantu abama-helper la emhlanga. Sikhuliswa abantu who were not given a privilege of education.
Sure.
So usheleni abanawo it's hard earned. Usheleni abanawo is very hard earned. Akuwona le mali eholwa yithina, yabo. Eyabo ithukuthuku bra, kuyanetha kuyaduma, kuyashisa. They have to. And transport iyahlupha ini engekho ama-Uber lawa khona today, yabo. They have to. They can't say to umlungu I couldn't. I'm sure they even walked at some point. They never told us, yabo. So ey'ntweni zonke bro, I'll always say I appreciate ukukhuliswa abazali abahlonipha impilo nomhlaba, and who are not scared to say mntanami impilo isiza oyisizayo.
Yes.
And nalesisho sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. You have to beluyibambe bro. On any given day, I used to even just sit down at some point eJozi nje bese ngireflect bro. Ama-bridge Mandela, Nelson Mandela Bridge, no bakhiwe phambi kwethu, Park Station, how busy it was, that buzz. Nini egoli usubona ama-celebrity awu-3 awu-4, ubona umuntu odlala ibhola, first ikunika lento ukuthi you are getting closer to your dreams. Yabo? And my dream was not to be a celebrity. My dream was to interact and work with celebrity people and also tell a story through the camera.
True that.
Which
and you highly achieved that, because Mawubala Mfethu, part of your very profound man. Siyabonga that thing is I cannot keep this to myself. I cannot keep this to myself, because that's what I'm learning is that empilweni ubalekile mfethu ukuthi environment, yabo. Environment uyibambe ngesandla nje esiphelele, uyibambe awungabeka lapho mfethu siyabonga kakhulu. Yabo, uyibambe ngendlela ephelele ukwazi ukuthi uyikheke uhlele ukuthi no mina njengoba ngikule space ngizokwazi ukuphupha ngize ngifike la ngiyakhona. I'm sure mfethu ayigabi, but KZN mfethu we have so many disadvantages ekukhuleni nakusekuphupheni because ngoba usho manje one of your last words ukuthi uthe ufike eGoli wawabona ama celebrity wabona ama soccer players and very those with people not now you wanted to be one but you wanted to work with those people so that brought you closer to believing good no lento inenza yenze so environment is key.
It's very key. It's very much key and also first ayikho into engiyijabulela ukuba ingane yasemakhaya bro. Elokishini I try and measure things zaselokishini. Ngithi shucks I would have never survived this thing because elokishini ziningi izinto fesu engakutshela iqiniso ngazo ngithi ayizisebenzi but I would never want to indulge on it now because nomunye umuntu oselokishini I would want to debate it yabo but for me emakhaya fesu kwangisiza ezinye izinto kuba semumva nempilo ungazazi kwi-advantage bro khona izinto ezasisiza fesu ogwayi yabo sasimhlonipha umuntu obhema ugwayi fesu futhi awama time ugwayi nama uncle asesebenza fesu yabo ayibu fesu ubhuti wami don't lose bro I got shocked I'm like yo enzani raso raso besiza imoshaka impilo yakhe umfana kamaye ngangathi mfethu would get shocked to a point where even today I still don't understand nanomuntu wesifazana oshaya inkawuza bese ngivele ngihlule ngisaba nokumbingelela bro ngivele ngiyibonele ighost yomuntu bazake lesistem azokulayitha ugwayi yabo so ngibonela ighost lomuntu nje fesu but because you have to respect how much choices abantu yabo so I made sure ukuthi this is what I'm scared of but I'm not going to say to umuntu unupemelani no I don't have that leverage I know my boundaries I'm not involved in that but ayikho fesu into engijabulela njengokukhulela endaweni engakhulela kuyona nokwazisa umhlaba nokwazisa impilo nokufundiswa nje fesu ukuthi kuquthandaza in every situation circumstances awuthandaza yabo ogogo fesu hey they've plotted something very nice in our lives and fesu ubusisiwe umuntu osanogogo and ubusisiwe umuntu onoma ubusisiwe futhi umuntu onobaba kodwa ugogo fesu kunezinto fesu ezimnandi azokufundisa zona ezumntwana omzukulu kunezinto futhi oyibona late masazenzeke empilo namthi na into ekhulunywa ngayo edladleni fesu yabo so career wise fesu I followed what I really wanted to be as a young boy and I told myself nezinto engizenze nezinto engizozenza but also always be humble around your people and whomever you know them or you don't know them respect them
speaking of being humble mfethu mina ke mfethu I've not only got to be with you with nje mfethu the team here at Slaka there were times whereby you came with one of the great Mr. Fix in face at the time whereby you guys were shooting for shout out to Fix Miss Fix
Mr. Fix
Mr. Fix
Mr. Fix one of the dopest directors fesu that I've worked with in the film industry who started my qala he started as a PA you know he started as a PA of uMqondiswa kaNgubane esebenza naye fethu uFix bro because of his humbleness and also his loving of people
yes
fethu uFix fethu is a believer of art dog is a believer of people that are trying yabo because when I say he's a believer I told him once ngawo bro he was and shout out to you you know because you cut my hair once I went to work, bruh. Everybody was buzzing. You know, it's like I had a new haircut in the whole world. The way everybody was like, ukunde kuphi Nick? Yo, fethu yabo. Angikunde kuSlaka. Bese la yosalu. Hey, fethu ubani uSlaka? I'm like, okay, but I think we should all go there. Then uFix we came with lana wafike naye fethu wangayi review fethu emnandi asayi fethu intwana yakho. So shout out to you for handling business very professionally and also calm and cool and also making sure that your first client has an experience that they've never had before and they want to come back for more regardless of how far they come from, you know. So shout out to that,
It's amazing, it's amazing how you just put it out because I think one thing that is to just be the same. I understand.
I'm just
I understand. This.
Yeah.
So
there's no you acting as if you are this person.
Sure. So when I first got to Karu Fix, the relationship we shared, sometimes I'm could even know Fix more than you.
Yeah.
Fixie.
Yeah.
When I'm sudden exact kundela la kama kuphela. Karu Fix, wafika nokhumbuzi size khumbuzi.
Yeah.
Emlas. The relationship grew bigger. And I'm so gracious and to see his work on Netflix everywhere.
And just to touch base on Ufix has directed The Wife, all 3 seasons with me. And The Wife broke so many records in South African TV, and which I'm also proud to be part and parcel of. And shout out to Stain Class for always bringing us up to such good project. Abosis Kukuzuma, Kanube, Pepsi Pokane, the team assistant class, Mariki, David Mukwebo, Brenda Mukwebo. So Ufix has done The Wife, Umjolo, is current on Black Gold, the Estate, and a lot of international stuff, which is commercials, adverts for the outside people, but it's commercials. So he has done a lot. Ufix, and he can go anywhere he wants to go. But because there was a very good bond that you guys shared and created together, he signed and he said, mina ngizoyibambela iWaterloo ngincanye usilaqa futhi mayaka masho ngizoya futhi mayemlazi ngizoya. So meaning even if usilaqa had to go to Cape Town, you'd go, you know. So shout out to that. And also first when the energies are aligning, ayikho first into emnandi njengokuba sendaweni where i-energy is like click, yabo. Nami ngifika kwezinye indawo first bangangitshela lo mjito uyathula ngoba nami ngisuke ngirespect ispace engikusona, ngijwayele umuntu okanye ngijwayele abantu, kodwa nje uma ngabe conversation ingangihlanganisi ngiyacela nami bandla ukuyiphumela kamnandi ngingasho lutho ngize ngihambe futhi ngize ngihambe futhi singasho ngolutho. It's not ukuthi angiyithandanga indawo, i-conversation benganayo ipoint engayibeka futhi ayikho into ebingi-involve. So it's not wrong not to say anything.
Because khona line wa Drake bese ngisayilaleli hip hop, listen to gospel mfethu. Good. But ke ngihlezi ngikhotha ama hip hop head or Drake no Kanye. Yazi thini Drake mfethu? Uthi Drake, they always ask me why did I let this story run on its own. I told them that a wise man once said nothing at all. So I was responding to the case Yengane and all that, yabo. But essentially mfethu ukuthi in the space mfethu you always mfethu you spend time with almost the greatest mfethu, yabo lonto. You always work with people that like we look up to mfethu, and you share conversation, like you give them direction, because as a director when mfethu umuntu or push agenda, which okay, this should happen like this, and that is just gonna happen like that. So what does it take in and how do you maneuver? Sengiyakubuka nje mfethu utshela ubhuti omdala yabo uthi bhuti omdala ukhanya imbawu ke manje masenza kanje.
This is how we want it.
Masephenduka kanje bhuti omdala ukhanya imbawu ukumele umbambe umuthi ayiwala sing la with our mfethu.
Yeah, was one for the books, you know. And also shout out to ubhuti omdala ubhuti Makhoba first iHotman nakumina umkhaya wasemacambini fethu Mandeni, nathi sine history seMandeni, ioleti salitshala khona eMandeni malisishiya. So so umkhaya and umkhaya uganiwe ukaNoMasibiya, kodwa umkhaya beno sisikhanya imbawu ngisuka nabo kudeka first in terms of the industry. Sisikhanyo ngimazi naye esayifikele emafilmini engihleka beno Sisikhabo bengihleka nje bese ngiyintwana nami ngishinyiswa amabhunu yabo. So shout out to them for understanding because we had to go and do a lot of research for that sex scene yabo. And shout out to Fix dog because Fix directed that scene. So Figile when he directed that scene, bro. There's so much research that was done. There's so much reference. When I say research, I mean you go and watch sex scene of other movies that have been shot and how to make it more professionally, more safe for everyone, and make it look like people are having sex for real, which they were not having sex. And I still say even today on camera, the sex scene between Uputom Dala, Beno Zandile, which was played by Umondli Makoba no Kanye Mbao.
Yes.
Sex was not for real.
It wasn't for real.
It wasn't for real, and
Sure.
everybody was just enjoying it the way it was.
It was, sure.
So yona yonke lo shandisileyo nje futhi abantu ababeyicabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi efethu are they really having sex? Yeah. Lalungasho bro. Wakuyinto nje futhi yayikrem.
Bro, it's gonna be 20 grand. Okay, no problem.
Yabo.
Sit here. Okay.
Wala.
Good. Khona ephuna ngalaba. Khona konke nje ngalo ngathi. Ngibela phansi sikhome.
So yeah, as I was still saying about that scene, about that sex scene, bro, was one of well-rehearsed sex scene, which we took about 4 days preparing it, and it took us a mouthful 4 days to shoot. We shot that scene for 5 hours.
5 hours, man.
Yeah, just one scene, eh?
Sure.
But with different sex position.
Showcase.
So the research was very deep and good. We had to go to Amakona Fana now or the game.
Sure.
Game we in the but a lot of research. We went and watched other sex scenes that have happened on television stuff.
Okay.
And from there, South Africa never look back. You know what I mean?
Sure.
So we did well, man. And South African TV never looked back, and I'm proud to be part and parcel of that.
Sure.
And
it can never be undone, but ayikho enye isine ofika kuleya mfethu.
Ayikho bro.
Ayikho,
Bangawenza, and
bro.
respect to everyone who's trying to do their sex scene. But
sex scene.
now esufethu now abanye basimahle nami ngihlezi ngithe yethu ayi top notch yabo bese ngishiya kanjalo ngoba we are not competing, but we complement each other, you know, because that's the game.
That's the game.
And I'll never compete with my own brothers.
Sure.
You know, and first, I think them you know achieve such goals in a black production.
Sure.
Because I'll always emphasize on, as black people, it's very hard to achieve our goals because we love competing each other, and we love always comparing things. Hey, yeah. But if you do you, you'll definitely always be authentic and real to your own stuff and yourself. Yeah, there's a signature for everything. There's a signature as a slack that I do not care where you go in the world. We told a slack.
It always go beyond and above.
Yeah. Ongaxoxisi bro.
Now uyawazi umugqa wethole lapho
eceleni umugqa wakho mawushaya kwenye indawo ngangawuzama kwenye ingoja ngapha eJozi bahluleka bro. First ababonisa isithombe baze bathi sir, we are not going to be able to catch you this way. Ngathi mina ngingasaba futhi. I was just making sure ukuthi le signature shuthi vele ngizoyithola in one place and I respect it ukuthi ngiyithola la ngiyitholi kunini yabo.
Junior ngiyazi kuhleze enza sure umhlanga.
Aw Junior first shout out to one of intwana esigrand. First is one of the good boys. Uzokutshela khalele ngeheadline. That's us. I don't want my jaws. Hi June. What shout out to intwana. Now iphume esandleni sakho yabo. Intwana grand.
It's never worked with us.
It's not work with you.
It's just a relationship of us. We have a very close relationship.
I know, but it's one of his energy, bro. His energy. Uyangitshela mufikile sayo ukukhona la first. Wazi wafike washanela. Ngithi mina undu first. A real barber knows when there's too much hair and there's no hair. But you can never stop sweeping, you know. It's like a cameraman instinct. Wherever the camera wants you to point, you go there. It tells you there's a story there. There's never a wrong shot.
It's not mainly about competing.
Yeah.
Just in Japan to like opening doors for each other.
Yeah.
It's figure about this cool about YouTubers. I think it's something that we need to just tap into this industry that you guys in. A lot of people are getting their big breaks on YouTube. They speak about stand up comedy, and that one of the longest running giants of it, MTM Sketch in fact. We have the privilege to even work with the guys of Smooth to my hair. So, for someone who's just starting, because I'm sure not everyone is gonna have a Kwakala Nyonini shooting next door.
Yeah.
And but you get very true Zalus Selbona shooting. Come on,
they're always shooting around.
But YouTube roots in fact, what's your insight about it? How can people take advantage of that opportunity? Because it doesn't need the criteria that are needed mostly on TV. However, not to be just shoot and upload. So what can you advise on? Which should people start shooting 30 minutes series, no more short stories, just help us maneuver. First,
I firstly want to start with ukuyibeka nje ibe mnandi kuzovakala kahle bese namuntu oyibukela eceleni. Bro, impahla es uzoyithola kanjani uhlele ekhoneni was not just a song. Isho ukuthi if you've got an idea, not all shows will always get commissioned by channel. When I mean channel, I mean Mnet, I mean SABC, I mean ETV, I mean all other platforms that maybe I didn't mention, but I'll mention what we all know. Bro, you've got a script, you've got a concept, you've got a machita that understands a script, ninento vele as joker, because I'll tell you one thing, mawubuka into zolova isn't eqala sihlalele container, isn't eqala sihlalele khoneni, into sihlala sihlalele siphaza kube nama joker nje yabo around the group kuyazi ukuthi ubani uyabulalana ngendakazi ubani uyabulalana bese ngalama joker akhe yabo lo nto igcina bese isiphenduka into engazi ukuthi iyasizama sonke yabo kodwa I will tell you one of the simplest things. The simplest things is whatever that you wish or want to do within yourself, go for it, bro. Don't ever look back, and to never look back means create your own magic. Nobody's gonna come and save you. When I say create your own magic, don't ever stop wanting to do what's right for yourself. You know, follow your dreams. Regardless of any situation that you go through in life, follow your dreams. Bro, we live in a very bad economy, and we live in a very bad state, such as South Africa, where education is key, but it's not easy to get in a university. If you happen to get into university, study as much as you can, get information, and bro, salary is there to crush your dreams. Follow your dreams. Don't do salary ezokwenza wena ukhohlwe into obufuna ukuyenza, yabo? Isalary ayikhokhele into ofuna ikhokhele zona, but if you wanted to have your own barber shop, work somewhere, but don't forget your dream.
Your dream, sure.
If you wanted to be a driver, be a driver, but also have your own Uber. when time goes on.
Most definitely.
And
you can move this side. Thank you.
also,
So I appreciate it, ne?
Yeah, I never pay you, is it?
Oh, you haven't paid it? Yeah. Oh, showcase.
so ungabheki emuva. Ufesu enza into yakho, yabo? And into yakho isho ukuthi wena njengephanta fesu ungayeki. Amajita omthandeni. MDM sketch or they've done a very nice thing. Okay. They've even empowered young actors. I've seen young actors such as Abo Oba nomjita lo Lou lentana encane.
Yes.
Lou is a very good actor,
Sure.
Lou is a very good actor, a young, and also Lou is also a good storyteller with good emotions, with good reactions. For me as a filmmaker, I would love to work with that young man, yabo?
Sure.
And I hope he does follow his dream.
Sure.
The whole cast member, Omaheu, Udlamini, everybody who's part and parcel, Oledi, Sister Corner. I might not know the names exactly, remember them well, but the whole cast is very awesome. And first, they are doing something that we've always been envied to do, all of us. Produce your own stuff, make magic of your own work, and take it to people. Let the people decide, bro. Don't be scared of abantu bazothini. Ayikho into ezowondla umuthi abantu bazothini.
Sure.
If today I fail, bro,
it means what I have something to work on for tomorrow.
Yes, even if I fail to what I'm doing now, people must never judge me sebe ngibona nginetafula everlem.
Sure.
Bro, that's where life wanted me to be.
Sure.
Sure. People must never judge me sebethi hey wendoda manje face wena wawusebenza ka TV usu live everlem usuyadayisa. Bro, that's where my journey is.
Sure.
But the next day I could get a call ebusuku mangiqeda la ukudayisa. Let's see, here's an international movie we're shooting in America. Can you come to Joburg? Let's have a meeting. We are leaving in next week. Let's go get your visa clear for a month, and then we are gone. You understand? So shout out to everyone who's trying to make a change in their life without waiting for someone to say, hi, government akasiniki, bro. There's a lot of people that need funding. There's a lot of people that are very in need of real things. Yabo? And I'm not saying as aziko real as Zenzai. Sure. But I'm just saying you've got a phone. It's not for you to be on TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook. You've got a data. If you not a data, write something and see act man.
Sure.
Right now we are shooting with an iPhone.
Sure.
And we've got like 4 cameras around here.
Sure.
All angles are covered, you know. And the viewer might be thinking, hey, Petra, my camera cool. Petra, no, it's not that. It's not that, yabo. It's just we've got phones that we are using in different angles, yabo.
Sure.
But people are just wondering, and the quality that comes out of these cameras that are from the phones is as good as the cameras
what you can see on screen.
Get on screen, yabo.
Because right now mfethu into ebalekile mfethu into minora velas, but the algorithms of my social networks that we currently have, especially TikTok. Now TikTok is not mainly of ukuthi like teeny ratio. If it's something that can build, that can grow, that has that seed, it goes by from there. So we see people manje abesingabazi last year, they have numbers more than the people who started being celebrities 15 years back.
True.
So if value for is not mainly on what you use, it's about who you are and what you stand for. So people need to harness that opportunity. Because if you can just sell something, a lot of people have been thinking, no, use cameras for your content. No, bro, we use phones.
Phones,
Bafethu. We use phones.
Phones are as
of,
good.
Of research and understanding
And get the right settings.
Yabo,
And what you've just said, even on our work field,
Sure.
bro, the story that I'm working on, Genesis, which plays on Mzansi Magic, 7:30.
Sure.
Genesis, bruh, I've never shot a musical show. And a gospel show.
Sure. Tina Zungu.
Yeah, where you have to go and research. The whole story is based on music and love and family. But I've done that. But the element of music, I had to go and research and watch Abo start videos, how they are shot, when they do a session in a studio, how do they do them? You know what I mean? There's a lot of time you spend researching than working. But when it goes to a final product, it actually looks like as if you work harder. Because you prepared yourself there, if you remember, my first point was be prepared for each and every situation and day. That when it works for me as a professional filmmaker, that I'm now going to research about a music video Benjamin Dube, a live concert. It's mostly like live concert that I actually had to go deep in. I've been to a live concert, but as a viewer. But now I'm supposed to be part and parcel of the technical team. I need to think of shots. People want to hear, who's this keyboard guy? They want to see that. People want to see the backing vocalist. People want to saw the research that we did on this show was really highly big, and also it helped the show to be where it is today. So going back to what you've just said is about they've got phones, they're not utilizing them. People don't even know how to shoot with their phones. That's iPhone, my shoot. First, we all have cameras that have got like a good ratio. You know, pixels that are very high, where you can push them to cameras go to 6K, bro. And people don't know that. Cameras go to 4K, 60 frames per second. Something that can give you a very good video, you know. And all you just have to do is be creative, find ideas, and be free to be a good researcher along the way. And most of it all, do you. Abantu bazothina angeke bakondle, angeke bekuphilise, and they'll never take you at value. You know what I mean? Yeah.
No, so but that's one of the secrets, Petsu. And I'm so glad that it comes from you, but I respect you, Petsu. Ukhona lento phela uthi umuntu uzumjwayele, but bese angena kumuntu onjalo. Uzukuthi hayi ngoba athi no brother Petsu uthando lunye. And I know Petsu ukuthi you're rooting for our success. You always kube kuya ngawo ngabe mhlawumbe masenza something new hlezi ukhona. Mfethu ngiyabonga the research that you've been sharing. Mfethu ngiyakubona mfethu you always cement ispan sakho mfethu. Speaking of it, the Genesis mfethu, we love that mfethu, we love that for you mfethu. Like when we're rooting for you mfethu to always keep on raising the bar mfethu and cementing more characters, because more kumkhokha mfethu what your guys did kumkhokha. But it can never be undone. So mfethu, the people that you've worked with, the caliber of the work that you always present mfethu bafethu, to me mfethu ngiyabonga bafethu, ngiyayibonga mfethu indima yakho idlalayo with the industry. So maybe if we can just wrap it up mfethu. I know ngoba sesikhulumile ngokuningi, a lot of gems we've dropped mfethu. But ke mfethu ngihlezi ngithi mina kunesisho or mhlambe ngingathini kunesifundisi engasinikwa by the late uLungani Mzobe. He was a great gent from Emlazi, wahlala la eWaterloo. Right after nje introduction yamafleti, uLungani Mzobe ubehlala la eWaterloo mfethu. So he used to tell me ukuthi Ndumiso, just know empilweni ukuthi there's going to be that one boy, that one kid that's looking at you oyirole model yayo. Noma kuthiwa wenzani empilweni, there's always going to be that one kid that looks up to you, so that finds inspiration by just looking at you. So if you drop the ball mfethu, just know ukuthi
Ish.
you've let down that
kid.
one kid.
Yeah.
So it's talking about dropping the ball, Mfethu. What would you advise to that one kid who's been looking at you for quite some time, Mfethu? Right now, usekubuka social media, mhlawumbe ukubone endwedwe, but manje awukasakubone eduze. Mhlawumbe right now usese university, impilo ayiyenzi sense.
Yeah.
What's that one thing, Bafo, that you'd like to share to that one kid?
Yo, firstly, shout out to for that person Ulungani Mzobo Ngolwane
Sure.
for sharing such wisdom to you, because whoever speaks to you, not everyone, but mostly people who share such sentimental words, they've been sent by Idlozi Nongolunkulu. So shout out to him. And bro, before I get to my point, you mentioned Umkhokha. What a beautiful show for KZN people. I once did. What a story. Every day we cracked numbers, not just for numbers or trending, but we also made sure even on set the story is well told for the viewers. We were always saying, hey, I'm a viewer of it. Hey, I'm a viewer of it. Hey, I'm a viewer of it. Let's think about people. Let's think about how would be Imam Zobe be? How would Mkhululi be? How would, there was lots and lots of research. So shout out to that show. Going back to your question when you said that one kid that I really inspire my words to them or to, because I believe it's not just one kid, but I would say wherever you are should never be a problem. Move yourself from your situation so that you can be a better person in the future. Research. Don't ever forget your dream. Don't forget to pray. When you are growing, don't just grow taller, but do grow wiser.
Sure.
And don't be shy. Don't be shy of who you are, where you come from. Let the society not determine who you are when you know very well you are not that person. And follow your dreams. Your dreams do matter. And ngongoza la khona abantu abathi ngeke ungene. Ngongoza and explain your story. Somebody is willing to listen to you. Somebody is willing to help you. Somebody is willing to see you prosper. And don't forget, Fethu, la usuka khona, if you happen to make it, don't forget the community. Don't forget the kids that are also willing to take information from you, because sharing is caring, and open doors for others. So in small words, don't let the society tell you can't be what you want to be. I was made to believe ayikho lento yamafilimu and television abantu bamaphoyisa onesi othisha funeka ayofundela teaching lo. It's not for me. As much as I'm a good teacher, but it's not for me. I want to be a storyteller. I want to be a director of photography. I want to shoot movies, dramas, telenovelas, you name it. Tell a story through the camera. So I didn't let the society put in China would say, hey, when was sent up Makaya, polish. I never. Don't allow that. That must never stop you from being who you want to be. The people I sit on tables with, you'd be shocked. But I don't go out and say, hey, there's nobody. No. I step outside and thank the mighty and say, Nkulunkulu ngiyabonga, ngila ngikhona ngoba kwazi wena. Bese ngihambe futhi ngishaye phansi, ngishisa impepho ngithi emadlozini asekhaya bomama nasekhaya kababa, ngiyabonga ukuthi niyangivikela endleleni. Nala engingaboni khona niphinde niphebeze. Nala khona futhi angingekho khona ukukhulunywa ngegama lami ningenelele ukuze kukhanye. Just to also thank people who sit in boardrooms that are big, with big budget and big money, or creative space they get to mention your name. Shout out to them, and I'm thankful for those who have supported the dream of a young black man when I was starting as a young boy. Until today, I'm a man who's still doing what he loved. So nothing should ever stop anyone, and we can all be where we want to be in life as long as we are persistent, respect the game, respect your elders, and most of it all, respect the community that raised you.
I bet it's a wrap. Not die. So no care. Understand. I get.
Emnandi kakhulu manje.